In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals crashing, crash on startup, or crash to desktop on PC upon launch. So this is the only tutorial you need, and I'm going to show you each and every single step in detail. Now, the first thing you can do is to run Steam as admin and launch the game via Steam itself. The way we're going to do this is you first want to close down Steam by clicking this X button, going down here and clicking Show Hidden Icons, right-clicking the Steam icon and clicking Exit Steam. This will, as you can see, shut down Steam completely, and then once that's done, you want to go to your taskbar, right-click it, press Task Manager, and then in here, up top, you want to search for Steam. In here, if you can see any processes, then you will have to end them down. So in my case, as you can see, there's nothing over here, and if it's like that for you as well, that's great, and we're gonna move on. However, if you do see anything over here, any process regarding Steam, you wanna just click on each and every single one and press End Task. So the first, second, third, and etc. Okay? Once you've done this, Steam is completely closed down and it's not open anymore on your computer by any means. Now, you're gonna close this down, look for Steam inside the search bar here in Windows down below in the middle, right-click on the Steam app and press Run as Administrator. Once you press this, you may have to enter in your admin PIN. If it asks you to, that's fine, and then Steam will start loading up. The next step will be that you'll have to likely log in inside your Steam account. So in case it asks you to log in, simply put in your username or email and your password and you're good to go. Then in here, what you want to do is go to Library, look for your game, click on it and press play over here inside Steam. This is very important because you cannot press the game and launch the game via your desktop shortcut. You must come inside Steam and open up the game manually via the play button over here. Once you've done this, and if it still doesn't work, what you want to do is run the game using these commands, and I'm going to show you how to do this as well right now. So the first one is going to be DX11. We're going to go inside Steam, Library, click on your game, and then right-click it, Properties, and inside General over here, the first tab that opens up, you can see Launch Options. Type in -DX11. Once you've done this, close it down, try running the game. If it still doesn't work, go to Properties again, and type in DX12. Close down again, and then if that still didn't work, you want to right-click it again and go to Properties, and then we're going to type in this command over here, which is the last one we've got, and it is this one, so D3D11, okay? Now, once you've done this, leave it like this, click this X button and try launching it. If that still didn't work, however, we're going to try the next step, which is to verify the integrity of game files. The way you can do this is by right-clicking on your game again, Properties, and then delete this because it clearly did not work. Go to Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files over here. What this will do is it will scan your computer and then see if there's any bad or missing files inside the game folder, and then if there is, it will replace them and fix them, and that way your game will start working as it should. Now, this may take from a few seconds up to a few minutes depending on how many errors your computer is able to find. Once you've done this, you can escape this, and then we're gonna go to the next step, which is to disable the Steam in-game overlay. You can do this by clicking Steam from anywhere inside the app, go into Settings, in-game over here in the middle, and then disable this first thing, which is enable the Steam overlay while in-game. So just disable this, make it gray, and that's it. Then once you've done this, you want to close this down, and then if that still didn't work once you try launching the game, you can try uninstalling the game and reinstalling it again. Click over here to this gear icon, hover over Manage, and click Uninstall. Once that's done, simply click Install yet again, like you ever would, and then try selecting a different, over here, a different SSD, a different drive for installation. If you only have the C drive, no problem, use this one, but if you had another drive earlier, make sure you use a different one. Then press Install, and once the game installs, run it up, and hopefully this fixed your issue. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.